King Coupe Track Chronicles. Quick little video, guys. If you have a garbage disposal that's clogged up, you got hair or whatever like in there and it's not spinning, you got a garbage disposal right here. If you look under here, is a alley key opening right here. Just put your alley key in there, and then you'll just twist it. And when you get it unclogged, this is how it should be, very loosely like this. But just a quick video, if you guys having problems with your garbage disposal at home, before you start pulling it and replace it, just get the alley key. Usually it comes with it, but if you don't, just get one, open it up.
All right, family, welcome back. I want to show you right quick the reset button is gonna be
right there. So whenever you get clogged up and then stop, just press the reset button. But before you do that, you wanna get the alley key and twist it around, because it might be clogged up because of the food or whatever you put in there. Hope you guys learned a little bit today. Here come the hose. So the water from the dishwasher hose comes over here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All right, King Cooper family. One last thing. This alley key, you use this to kind of tighten up your garbage disposal, okay? So you apply force to tighten it up. If you want to go the other way and take it apart, you'll put it right between here. And then you'll just turn that way to unloosen it. The garbage disposal will drop at that point. And there you have it. You can get inside, and inside of here, get like a flathead or something and clean all that stuff out of there. The gunk, spray some WD-40 so the blades and the propellers can spin very loosely and smooth. So, little FYI information I wanted to let you guys know. But simple one-on-one garbage disposal. Peace.